Kunal, first to you for your high risk and low risk bets.
So, good morning, Karunya. I'll be suggesting two buy calls at this hour, and expecting that the markets would remain a bit more, stock specific and get back into some sort of a consolidation on the indices at least. But stock specific, I believe that there could be more opportunities which could be thrown up. So, two specific stock ideas. First one, which I'm suggesting, is Ban ACE or Action Construction. We don't talk of this stock that often, but it's done remarkably well for itself over the last few weeks and months. In fact, the stock has more than doubled from its March 2020 lows as well. So at current levels, the stock is at at a very strong set of momentum burst, which could probably take the stock higher to almost 188, 190 kind of a zone. So expecting the a continuation move for Action Construction, suggesting a buy with a target of approximately 188, and stop loss could be kept at 158. The second is a buy on HDFC Life. Now this is more of a low risk trade in the morning show as well. I'd given a buy on HDFC Life. I still maintain the stance that many of these insurance stocks are looking quite strong. They have just come back to breaking their previous swing highs and now looking for one more round of trending upside in the near term. So for someone who's looking out for more of a gradual moving kind of a stock and slightly low beta, I think HDFC Life could fit the bill there. Would suggest a buy with a target maintaining at 744. Stop loss could be tailed high to 700.
Okay, thanks for that, Kunal. Gaurang, hi, good morning. Thanks for joining in on BNSN. What's on your radar today? High risk and low risk calls for our viewers.
Thank you, Varun, and morning to all of you all. So, we have always been suggesting low risk long term investment idea on the fundamental side. So, there are two of them. First one is on fallback of great set of numbers, continued run rate of improvement. HDFC Limited, the largest player in the HFC segment, that is housing finance companies. And given the outlook on loan book growth and of course the turnaround that we are seeing in the real estate sector, and the likely possibility that the run rate of registration likely to go up and the demand for residential housing going up, uh, we've been maintaining a positive stance on HDFC Limited for a pretty long period of time. We reiterated our buy call on HDFC Limited recently with the third quarter numbers gone by, and upgraded our targets to 3,100. So, and of course, given that you have a correction in the market since second half of yesterday continued today, I think it is prudent for investors to look at strong fundamental stories, investment ideas, if you will. And HDFC suits perfectly over there. So 3,100 is the target on HDFC Limited. The second one is from the mid-cap private sector bank universe. Of course, not a name that normally is spoken about, but great set of numbers for the third quarter and the outlook for the fourth quarter and the next financial years to come by remain equally strong. City Union Bank, 210 is the target. Now, both these targets are long-term targets, so would request investors to have a longish time horizon in case if they decide to invest in both these names.